In this section, we are now going to begin building the system that we actually want to develop together in the series. The very first thing that I want to do is to install a fresh copy of the Legato framework, and then we'll pick it up from there. So right here inside of my htdocs, because I'm using XAMPP server, I'm just going to type composer create-project legato/legato, and our project will be called link share. So that will be link share. Then we can say prefer-dist. So we're just going to wait for a few seconds for Composer to create the new project for us. Now it has finished installing the project. So what we now want to do is to cd into the project. That will be link share. And then Composer dump autoload. I'm going to quickly set up my local domain name behind the scene. You can go ahead and do the same if you have not already done that, or if you are using Laragon, you can actually just get a domain name out of the box. So I'm going to pause the video and quickly do that. So let's now view the project on the browser. So this will now be local.linkshare.com. Now we have the project installed successfully, and I've also set up my local domain name. The next step now will be for us to actually set up the database. So we are going to create the tables that we'll be needing for the project, and also update our .env file with our database information. All right, I'll see you in the next video.